Respected Nancy ma'am and all my dear friends, first of all, great morning to all of you. Great morning, Himanshu. My name is Himanshu. Today I am here for speech on the topic lines and angles. Firstly, we will talk about that what is a line. A line, it can be extended in both directions. It has no final point and initial point. Next, we will talk about line segment. Line segment, it is a part of line which do not have any. It cannot be extended in any direction. It has an initial point and a final point. Now we will talk about array. Array, it can be extended in only one direction. It has a initial point. Next we will talk about collinear points. Collinear point. Three or more points lying on a straight line are said to be collinear. Non-collinear points. Three or more points not lying on a straight line are said to be non-collinear. Now we will talk about types of angles. Firstly, we will talk about acute angle. The angle whose measure lies between 0 degree and 90 degree is said to be acute angle. Now we will talk about right angle. Right angle is an angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree is said to be right angle. Now we will talk about obtuse angle. An angle whose measure lies between 90 degree and 180 degree is said to be obtuse angle. Now we will talk about a straight angle. Straight angle is an angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree is said to be a straight angle. Now we will talk about reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle whose measure lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. Now we will talk about a complete angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is said to be complete angle. Now we will talk about intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. The lines who intersect at a point, or we can say at only one point, are said to be intersecting lines. Non-intersecting lines. The two or more lines which do not intersect and at any point are said to be non-intersecting point, or we can say parallel lines. Now we will talk about complementary angle. The sum of two measure of angles is equal to 90 degree are said to be complementary angle. Supplementary angle. The sum of measure of two angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree are said to be supplementary angle. Now we will talk about the property of adjacent angle. They have common arm, they have common vertex, and the non-common arm are lying on the different side of common arms. Thank you and have a nice day.